In the sunny kitchen of Crunchville, Captain Crisp, the carrot, invites a family to uncover snack superheroes beyond chips. They swap two common options for a color-coded parade of fruits, veggies, and whole grains that sparkle with friendly flavor. A talking yogurt drops science tips about calcium while berries crash the stage with antioxidants, turning healthy into a tasty game. Parents guide the kids through simple steps like washing, portioning, and tasting together, turning learning into silly, giggly teamwork. By the end, every bite feels like a win as they discover how small color changes fuel playtime.